Hey guys, we're at the railroad track, the railroad trails here in Boulder City. This used to be the railroad tracks to the Hoover Dam. All the material was brought down there and railroad in, plus the personnel, the workers. For all the railroad material, they took it out for the World War II war effort. And now we made it to the tourist track. I use it for fitness, I hike. For 3 miles, 3.1 miles that way to Hoover Dam, and 3.5, 3.1 back. So it'll be a 6.2 mile hike with a ruck. Heavy ruck, this is about 50 pounds, and I'm already feeling it. I've already been on the road for half a mile. You get the beautiful views. Alright guys. Alright, so we made it to tunnel 1. So that means from the parking lot to here, as you see right behind me, here's tunnel 1. We're going to go through it in a second. And there's a beautiful view of the lake. Once you get to tunnel 1, that's mile 1. So we still have 2.12 miles to Hoover Dam. And this rucking, I can feel it already in my legs, my back, my abs, and my shoulders getting a good workout as well. So if you guys want to come out here for a nice hike or some rucking, and sometimes my other rucks, I jog this trail. It's only a mile and a half one way, a mile and a half back. Alright guys, now we're going to be entering the tunnel. Oh, we do have a lot of people here walking their dogs. It's family friendly. We're an 8-mile hike. Alright. Oh, it's so cool, right? Early in the morning, a lot of bats here, but they're harmless. Alright. Alright, we hit the last tunnel. Alright, right now this workout's getting really good. My legs are burning up pretty good. Or warming up, excuse me. Alright. Behind me. Alright, so we arrived at the Hoover Dam. This is my first time rucking to a Hoover Dam with a heavy pack. Okay, so this heavy pack you use it for, just straight, easy trails, not rock climbing, because you can't get hurt, you don't have much balance when you're climbing, going uphill, or, this is for mountain climbing, whatever. No, this is for, flat trails, nothing too, advanced or hard, because you can get hurt, seriously. Fall off a cliff or a hill. It's a workout, don't get me wrong, but you also want to be safe. I will have another pack that I use for running. Okay, so rucking, you can power walk, 13, 5, 10 miles, and then you can do running with the lighter pack. Alright guys, so let's check out the Hoover Dam. Alright guys, this is beautiful day, beautiful view, bunch of fresh air. Alright guys, let's do this.
Yeah, might as well go for a minute.
Alright, I made it. 1.2 miles extra on this hike to come to the Memorial Bridge. Let's add on a mile point two. Just get here. Oh man, and I worked on the bridge back in the day as an iron worker. Yeah, the work I getting here. I'll show you when we get there. Bye guys. Oh, this is awesome. We're heading to the Nevada side, and right behind me is the Arizona side. Pretty cool. So the state line right here. Alright, I want to show you down the staircases I went up with the backpack and the rucking. It's one hell of a workout. Alright, let's continue. Alright. Tillman Memorial Bridge. I've never seen this place. Alright. Right now I'm walking uphill with the backpack and rucksack on. Oh, this is pretty cool. I've never seen this. This is from the Hoover downside on the Nevada side, going to Arizona. Tourist information on these billboards. Alright, now here comes the workout. Climbing up this thing, up this hill. Yeah, I climb up this right here. You can either climb the inclines or climb the stairs for a better workout. Your legs are gonna feel it. So like I said, here's a incline for wheelchairs, but I use the stairs, better workout.